might get a value that is an int32, like this, and it's like my val, and somehow something gets put in, right? Be it we assigned it from an API or whatever, right? Everyone okay with accepting that pseudocode for now? And we want to use this in a function or whatever that only accepts an integer. We have just an integer space defined, and it's data. And we want to take this value and put it into this parent space. And also, this is how dec relations always look in C#. Write the type first, then the variable space. Think of it like JavaScript, where here you would always write bar, and now you're actually writing a type. So I want to set this integer data equal to that value. But we know that an int32 doesn't just magically fit into an integer space, right? We can't just put types of different types potentially into the same spot. Yeah.
So if you tried to add an int32 to an int,
Yeah.
it would throw an error, right? Or
Typically, yeah. Typically, you are correct. Adding a int32 to something that is guaranteed to be an int will most likely throw an error. But we can get around that. We can treat them both like integers. We can make memory spaces that both say they are integer type, doing one extra step. The extra step we have to do is just what's called type casting. If we define a value in front of whatever we're working with, in parentheses, the value, the space that follows after will try to pass to that value, right? It'll try to take whatever the data in here is and put it into the right? Everyone okay with that? So this is typical typecasting, and it will work most of the time. The problem ends up being when things are not directly typecastable, right? A